Once upon a time, in a quiet, sunlit workshop, lived a wise and patient pencil maker. He spent his days creating beautiful things. One morning, he was carving a special piece of cedar wood. He worked with immense care, shaping it into a perfect cylinder. He placed a strong, dark core of graphite right into its center. He knew this pencil was meant for something truly great. He polished the yellow wood until it was smooth and bright. He admired his handiwork, knowing it was a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Finally, he attached a shiny metal ring and a bright pink eraser to the top. The pencil was now entirely complete. Before he placed the pencil into its special box, he held it up. He looked at it like a very proud father. "Before I send you out into the world," the old man said softly, "I have 5 important lessons you must remember. Listen closely," he whispered. "If you remember these 5 things, you will become the absolute best pencil you can possibly be. First," the maker began, "you will be able to do many great and wonderful things, but only on one condition. You must allow yourself to be held in someone's hand. You cannot create a masterpiece entirely on your own. By trusting the hand that guides you, you will draw beautiful landscapes and write incredible stories that change the world. Never forget that true purpose comes from surrendering to guidance. Allow yourself to be directed by a higher, wiser power." The old man paused, making sure the pencil understood. That is the first lesson. Always be willing to be guided. He smiled down at his creation. The workshop was very quiet as the weight of his wisdom filled the warm room. He turned the pencil slowly. Now, for the second lesson. This one might be the hardest for you to endure. From time to time, you will experience a very painful process. You will be pushed into a dark, sharp blade. A sharpener will cut away your wood. It will feel uncomfortable, destructive, and deeply painful as you lose pieces of yourself. But you must endure this suffering. Without this difficult process, you will become dull, blunt, and entirely useless. The painful sharpening is necessary. It is the only way you will emerge with a fine, precise, and beautiful point. This sharp point will allow you to continue your great work with renewed strength and perfect clarity on the paper. The maker nodded slowly. Life will do this to you. You will face trials and hardships that will surely break you down. But remember, these challenges are simply life's way of sharpening you. They are making you stronger and wiser for tomorrow. There will be stormy days and dark times, but without the storm, you can never truly appreciate the bright sunlight. So embrace the sharpening. It is not a punishment, but a preparation for the great destiny that lies ahead of you. The maker pointed to the pink eraser. Now listen to the third lesson. It is a wonderful gift I have given you. Sometimes you will slip. You will draw an ugly line or make a terrible mistake that ruins the entire picture. But you have an eraser. You will always be able to correct any mistakes you make along your long journey. Using the eraser is not a sign of weakness. It is a powerful tool of forgiveness and a chance to start over. You can wipe away the error and draw the line perfectly again. Mistakes are simply stepping stones to greater success. The old man smiled warmly. Do not be afraid of failing. If you fall down, just erase the past and stand up again. I have made many mistakes in my own life, the maker reflected, but I learned and grew stronger from every single one. Hold on to this truth. The ability to correct your course is one of the greatest and most beautiful gifts you possess. The old man took a deep breath. He looked very serious as he prepared to share the next vital piece of wisdom. He tapped the middle of the pencil. The fourth lesson is crucial. People will admire your beautiful yellow paint. But your appearance is not what matters. The most important part of you is what lies deep inside your core. Your dark graphite core is where your true value lives. It is your essence, your character, and your inner strength. Always pay attention to what is happening inside you. Protect your heart, guard your mind, and nurture your beautiful soul. When you look in the mirror, look past the outside. True beauty and true worth are always found entirely on the inside. Never let the world distract you from your inner truth. Your morals, your kindness, and your integrity are your true treasures. He opened his eyes, looking directly at his creation. Never forget this. Your inside is always greater than your outside. The old man held up his hand, lowering his fingers until only one remained. And finally, the fifth and ultimate lesson. On every surface you are used on, whether it is smooth paper or rough wood, you must always leave your mark. No matter what your current situation is, no matter how hard or difficult the environment, you must continue to write. Leave a mark of hope, kindness, and love. Your purpose is to make a lasting impact on everything you touch. Life is a vast journey. Every day is a blank page waiting for you to write an incredible, inspiring story. Just like footprints in the sand, let your actions leave an enduring legacy that others can follow and be inspired by. Keep going. Never stop writing, even when you are tired, and even when you are worn down to a tiny piece. The old man finished his advice. He looked deeply satisfied. His beautiful creation was finally ready to face the world. He gently placed the pencil into a velvet-lined box. It was a safe, warm place before the grand journey began. He closed the lid softly. He had done his job perfectly. Now it was up to the pencil to live its life. The next day, a young student opened the box. They picked up the pencil, feeling deeply inspired and ready to learn. The student began to write, guided by the profound wisdom that was instilled deep within the pencil by its old maker. When the tip broke, the student didn't cry. They sharpened it, remembering that the painful process only made them much stronger. When they made a mistake, they calmly erased it. They knew that correcting an error was just another step toward success. They focused on their inner character, ignoring superficial distractions, proving that what was inside them truly mattered the most. And in the end, they left a beautiful, lasting mark on the world, sharing hope and joy with everyone around them. Back in his quiet shop, the old maker looked out the window. The sun was setting, and he smiled a peaceful smile. We are all like that simple wooden pencil, created with immense potential, facing painful sharpening, and capable of correcting our mistakes. Remember to protect what is inside you, trust the hand that guides you, and always strive to leave your beautiful mark. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving your English. Subscribe to Inspiring Tales for more great stories.